In the winter, your heat pump works best as a primary heat source when it's set up with the right inputs. During cold weather, make sure your remote is set to heat mode and choose a temperature that feels comfortable for your home. We recommend not basing that number on what you normally set an oil or gas system to. Heat pumps operate differently and are designed to run efficiently at a different set point. We also suggest keeping your system at one consistent temperature. Because the compressor is inverter-driven, it automatically ramps up and down based on demand. Turning the system down at night forces it to work harder later to recover, which can reduce efficiency. Depending on the layout of your home, we recommend running the fan at speed 3 or 4. A higher fan speed helps circulate warm air more evenly throughout the entire space. If you're going to be away for an extended period of time, turn the system down to a temperature that will keep the house warm enough to prevent freezing. And if you have a backup heat source, set it 2 to 3 degrees lower than your heat pump so it can automatically take over if needed.